Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I actually cracked my iPod screen, if you can see it right there. So I heard that toothpaste helps. So today I'm gonna put some toothpaste on it. Hopefully it works. Got this kid's crust. What do you need, Ian? I will soon, okay? Yep. Alright. So, I'm just gonna put some toothpaste in the bowl. Okay. Whoops. Just let me. Keeps on trying to tip over on me. Okay. Put some toothpaste. Okay, so I got the toothpaste on. Now you're supposed to rub it around. I'm only gonna do it on the cracked part. They say you're supposed to sit it there for 24 hours, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. God, I'm making a mess. Now I have to grab something, so I can just. Whoops. Okay, now you wipe it off. And there we have it. Tell me if you see a change in the comments. Still cracked? I might take it to get repaired. But yeah, I think it worked a little bit. So if you guys like this video, I would like you to smack the like button, smack the subscribe button, and hit those notifications for every time I make a new video. I'll see you guys.